Won't start.
Nothing.
Nothing. Left the key on.
So
Won't crank. Z Master 4000 Pro. Check the oil first.
Really
Stain, and oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this thing. They're using the heck out of this machine, and it's a nice piece of machinery here. I mean, I don't know how much it cost me. This oil. And that's his oil. So literally got like 25% oil in it on this very nice FX 801V Kawasaki. So we're gonna have to top that off for him. Battery was 2 volts, but we're gonna try to put the booster, but it really needs a new battery. Nothing. It's clicking, but nothing's happening. So, yeah. So the key was left on this thing, so our battery's completely discharged, but it's not clicking over. It's not getting voltage to the solenoid at the starter. So we're checking fuses, and it could be a possible switch issue because we're not getting voltage when we kick the key on. All right, so this thing was probably struggling starting. So they were probably holding the key for a long period of time because it has a brand new battery. Well, not brand new, but pretty new. And that's probably what caused the starter fuse to blow. So we're gonna swap out the fuse and let her rip. All right, new fuse, booster on, fire in the hole. It wants to start. All right, it's kicking, but the engine's not turning, and that low oil could be a problem here. So let's go ahead and take off this cover and try to turn the engine by hand. All right, fire in the hole, new fuse, everything. Starter. All right, so we did the fuse and we got that going. We put a new battery in it because the other one was fully discharged from the key being left on. So come to find out, we went to turn the engine over to make sure the engine wasn't seized because of the oil level in it. So now the engine wasn't seized. We kicked it over and it still won't kick over. So that's leading us to the starter. Everything's happening, solenoid's kicking over and everything, but the starter is seized, and that's probably what blew the fuse. So new starter on this bad boy. Even his oil reservoir is pretty empty, so this guy is just basically neglecting his machine.